Hello
Yes.
viewers, today is 23rd of January. As step by step, bodywork department now here. And Mr. Anwar, mechanical part we just finished, and then we are now department of bodywork department. And in charge is Anwar, the painter. And as you can see, the step by step update about our work here, especially bodywork that we are here today. And we're now preparing this first undercoat, right? This undercoat we finished, and now we are preparing to do some few corrections, as you can see, few corrections, and we will spray the second coat and finish it, as you can see here. And our body as well, you see the job. Yeah, only this is the undercoat. We need to make sure where exactly we need to do some correction before we reach the last point to finish. Any group of company, any Toyota Uganda, we are really focused on how to improve our standards and doing our work here, especially body work and general mechanical work. As you can see, really the work is so professional, and the quality as well. You're going to see the quality of work is going to be just fantastic. So again, final inspection. So with the last coat, we need to do final inspection. Alright, and there's no dent again, then we can proceed to the final coat of paint. And really here we see everything going well? Yeah. Is there anything you see that you need me, my support, or everything just going well? You have all the paint, you have already mixed everything? Yes. The thinners, the undercoat, everything you have. So when are you anticipating something? Anything else today? This finishing will be today, and just tomorrow summarizing and do the final inspection to see where exactly and give him the marks where, how many marks can you give for such person. Great job here, really it's a tremendous effort around here, and make sure we get the quality job. And then you can also go and see the Polica side here with after this vehicle, and this is the second online. So just waiting after finish this one, and we're also gonna spray this vehicle. And Mr. Ibra is here, our parole beater, just try to preparing the car and body work, do some correction, body filler, and preparing it for the and hand over to Mr. the painter, which is Anwar Sada. As you can see, there's a lot of variation in the car. As you can see here, we are trying to weld it in. Few other problems with the fast safety. This bonnet here, we're going to change a new bonnet. And some fenders as well, we need to change the fenders and bonnet to give it a good shape. So after this, we spray the Cruiser 79 double cab. And this is going to be the hard top, which one is already online, and the job card just waiting him to the side and take the vehicle to the spray booth. And that's it. That's it for today. I think good morning, Mr. Dennis. Pleasure to meet you again today here at Toyota Uganda. Yes. And then Mr. Dennis is the driver of this old Honda, brand new car, and brought here for changing the car carrier, right? And this is after spraying this carrier, then just fixed. You see, this double 79 Land Cruiser double cabin was here, and this is the process now of the department. See what we are doing, trying to improve even our double spray, but sometimes it's not and make sure all the body get the paint and really quality. The work you see, you have any comment unfortunately. Yeah. You are now more than how many years now with the NN? 3 to 4 years now is our key customer here. Let's give some comment about our job here. Because most of the cars they're driving, those are the brand new cars. So only their service station is here. And the person dealing with them directly is Madam Faiz is here. And you see them. So please, can you say something about Anna since we start working with you? And then we see the continuous improvement on our...
Actually, as per now. This is not my factory. I told the other day when so amazing that you see the quality what they are doing. Like, if I compare even to Kampala standard,
Yes.
this level. So I came purposely to fix the
Carrier.
carrier, the roof racks. They sprayed it well, and just a matter of fixing it now.
How many fixing it out?
Yeah.
Alright.
So the workmanship is okay
Alright.
according to me.
Alright.
Now we need to fix it.
Oh, you're gonna fix it. Really?
I'm happy. They're doing a good job. Every day there is improvement. That is what we expect.
Right, that's very good. We really are glad to hear your compliment about our company. And in fact, you have something to add on top of that.
Actually, I don't have much to say, but
Yes.
the brand can speak for itself.
Sure.
And the work that we do here can speak for itself.
Yeah.
It tells you what NN is capable of.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go extra mile
Cool.
to give you the best service.
Give you the best. And
that you
that's
deserve.
not all what really we have. Still have a big dream about to make it much better. We never be happy with 100%. We always anticipate 150% on top of what we're doing here. So that's it, and stay tuned as more are still to come and share with you.